Make a start with IELTS speaking part 1.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yeah, I do, but I'm an extrovert now. But before some time, I was an introvert. But few months back, I was doing a job, and I was much interested in meeting new people.
Listen. Yeah, this answer is good, but try to stay in present. For example, do you like meeting new people? Now, don't
do.
narrate anything
Okay.
related to the past. Do you like meeting new people? I love to meet new people. And whenever I meet new people, I try to learn from them, especially from their experience, from their perspective. Different people have different experience and mindset. So whenever I meet anyone new, I try to learn from them. They add on to my experience. So to answer your question, I literally enjoy meeting new people. Something like that, okay? Now please answer again. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I love to meet new people because I get more interesting ideas, and I got to know about their culture and everything. So I think I love to meet them.
Okay, so try to use different words. I love to meet, I like to meet,
Okay.
I'm really interested to meet, variety. Okay, yes. Next question.
Do you often meet new people?
It's the same question, I think.
Do you often? Often means frequency. First question was,
Yeah.
do you like to meet? And by the way, never say this to examiner. Same question, madam. ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ ਭੁਲੇਖਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ? Not like this, okay? So you should start your answer as I've already told you, as I've mentioned already. So don't tell the examiner that you've asked it already. So, and by the way, question is different. How do you feel when people welcome you? Okay, so I changed the question now. How do you feel when people welcome you?
I think it's very welcoming, and whenever I met a new people and
I
they are
met
welcome
is wrong. Question is in present. I meet.
me. Okay, and when we let's answer this question.
How do you feel when people welcome you?
I feel good. I will just.
Okay, this answer is short, so you need to come up with some more ideas. One last question.
Can you tell if you like someone when you meet them for the first time?
It depends.
It depends.
It depends on the nature of other person. Like if I'm getting the vibe with that person, then I will definitely love to catch up with that person.
Okay, this is good. Just practice these topics and don't be confused about any question. And you should have a proper pattern to answer each question.
Okay.
Thank you.